Honorable jury, respected educator and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning, non-evening for one and all were present here. One small positive thought in the morning can change our entire day. Let me take the privilege of being that agent of change today. Before you work smart, work hard. If you only work hard and not smartly, you may not hard, only working of the rest. Dream, don't work unless you do I. We have often heard that work smart and not hard, but what really is smart work? Dear student, does only smart work bring you success? And if then, why are so many of us still busy putting our blood and sweat into working hard to reach our goal? Whether we should opt for smart or hard work and which will bring us more efficient result is one of the topics we often hear being discussed among people. Let's break the ice and talk about the smart work versus hard work. Ages back, the human pushed huge pieces of stones by pushing them or using carts from one place to another. But the modern human make wheelbarrow, it easily carries its load and travel long distances with less effort and more efficiency. This is a class example of smart and hard work. Respected jury, when we work for a given task depending on its worth and put our effort and apply our brain in order to produce maximum result by using maximum labor, then it is known as smart work. Honorable jury, where hard work is all about consistently working towards a particular goal, irrespective of its worth, and not being worried about the result or by not using any mean to reduce effort. Now you all must be pondering, is smart work better or the hard work? Both methodologies have their balance, pros and cons. It is normally seen that an amalgamation of both gives perfect and efficient result. Work hard and you will earn good reward. Work smart and you will earn great reward. Work smart and you will earn extraordinary reward. Thank you for being such a generous audience to provide me this opportunity to speak. Thank you. Yes?